So we're shooting something at Safety Pins today. They have like a lot of new stock and jewelry. So I'm shooting something. And look who's my model today. Safety Pins is a sari store in Madhapur. They've recently launched a new store with much larger collection. So we came to see the collection, and they have like wedding saris and saris in different price ranges. Entire section is on discount. Everything is priced at 5,000. So I'll show you some of these. These are all on 5,000 rupees sale. These are all fancy saris and they have very beautiful collection. This is really nice for gifting or like some simple saris under 5,000. And they also have silver jewelry now. All of this is really beautiful wedding jewelry, and the saris are of different price ranges. They have a lot of affordable collection, and they also have like bridal saris and some heavy saris as well. So you will see these sections which are on sale. This is all 1,000 rupees. All the saris that are folded and placed on racks, all of that on the left side is all 1,000 rupees section. These are really nice for return gifts and even for like small pujas or smaller occasions. I did get some of these and get them stitched into dresses also. The quality is really good. They're all Banaras weaves only, but fancy saris. You can see that the blouse is also really pretty. So they have all of these beautiful collection. You have to like patiently look and you'll find gems in this. The other section is all 5,000 rupees sale. So even in that section you'll be able to find really beautiful party wear saris also, and like some Banaras silk saris which are something that you can wear for wedding as well. So this is a Patola style sari, and this one is also in that 5,000 rupees sale section. So they usually have like piles of these or racks of these which are on sale, and rest of the whole store is also very beautiful. They have like really good collection. There's some beautiful dupattas also. I'll show you guys. These dupattas are around 8 to 10,000. These are pure silk dupattas and they're very beautiful. They have some under 5,000 also. This is a beautiful Banaras sari with Meenakari work. This one is available in different colors, and they have some other saris which are around 10 to 15,000, and even this peach one is so pretty. And they also have like heavy saris which are around 15,000. Even this green and off-white one is so beautiful. They have a lot of color options in this as well. So they have a lot of beautiful saris even in the wedding collection. Even if you are a bride, you'll find yourself something very exclusive. Otherwise also, if you're looking to attend a wedding also, there's a lot of beautiful collection. So the prices for these actually vary. So some of the collection is very affordable and some of them are priced higher than some other stores in the city, so you have to check and compare, but the sale sections are usually really good. And the silver jewelry is also very beautiful. This is the first time that I'm seeing silver jewelry in the store. So a lot of you guys asked for affordable nose pins. You'll find them here, and they have a lot of beautiful collection in under 5,000, and these are all bridal jewelry in silver. Some of these are around 25,000, similar to the other stores, but the collection is very beautiful. So I'll leave the Google Maps link in the description so you can check it out if you are interested. So she's saying చాలా రోజులైంది ఇట్లా షూట్ చేసి. So earlier when I used to stay home, she used to help me shoot a lot. So she's like చాలా రోజులైపోయింది ఇలా చేసి. టైర్డ్ అయిపోయింది.
చాలా రోజులైంది వీడియోస్ చేసి ఫొటోస్ తీసి
వీడియోస్ చేసి. బట్ లాస్ట్ లో నీకు మళ్ళీ జోష్ వచ్చింది కదా. So I wanted it to be like a relaxing weekend. But obviously, weekends are when you get the most work done, apart from the usual office work, any chores. So, last few weekends have been crazy. So, this weekend I thought I'd do like a spa weekend. So, I booked Urban Club, done head massage. So, that's why I'm like super crazy. Sorry. Making mint tea for myself. I'm going to drink that to relax. Maybe edit a video. And then I think I'll have like a nice bubble bath. This is the mint tea I was talking about. It's refreshing organic peppermint. I love it. I'm not a very green tea person normally, but I really like this peppermint tea. And I usually add honey and lemon also. This mug I think is from Amazon. Heating up some water for my tea. I'm editing this video. It's Banaras saris and dupattas and some other things. Tomorrow I'm going to Yash's village. There is a housewarming. Remember my dressing room? So it's all still here. So I just found some nail paints that actually work. Some of them have dried up, but I found this and it's actually not dried. So I just, put it on because I didn't have any nail paint on. And I just had the most relaxing shower. So right after the head massage, I basically, had some work. I finished up everything. I came to my parents' house because tomorrow morning we are heading out from here for some function. So I came here, took the dogs for a walk and all that, and finally finished some work and jumped into the shower. It is pretty late, it's almost 12 now, but this shower, I have a tub here in my parents' place. If you've seen my room tour and all that, you already know this, but yeah, I had the most amazing relaxing shower. I totally missed this house and the bathroom. Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up, got ready. I'm yet to do my hair, face, and everything, put on jewelry. I'll do that in the car because it's getting late. As usual, I woke up late, so I just like put on my dress and yeah, let's go now. I will talk to you guys once I'm in the car. That is Snowy over there. That is his cute blankie. Just so that he doesn't follow us when we're leaving, put him there. Cleaning process is going on at my parents' house. 6 a.m. in my parents' house versus 6 a.m. in my house is like totally different. Here the whole cleaning process is going on, everything is like already done. Dad is already having his coffee. Mom is ready and we're going. Here's my coffee. What happened, babe? Bye, baby. Look at the tail. Lane is so peaceful. Getting started pretty late. Always running late. So we started towards the village and I started getting ready. I'm using Clinique Pep Start. This is a blurring moisturizer, so it acts like a primer. So I was just quickly getting ready. I'm using Daughter Earth's concealer. This is kind of creamy and nice, blends easily, very natural finish. And I'm using Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This shade, I should have got one shade darker. But anyway, once you blend, it's kind of nice. Again, gives a very nice natural finish. Adding a little tint on my cheeks for like a natural flush. This one is by Dior Darling and it's peach color, very pretty. Using Daughter Earth's Glow Illuminator. This one also is very natural. It's not one of those high intensity highlighters. It's very simple, something that looks very natural. And I set my face with a powder compact and I'm using NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. This gets the whole look together. It sets your makeup. Then we quickly stopped for breakfast. We were almost near Yadagirgutta and then we had breakfast and got started. We reached the village. So it was time for lipstick. I'm using this Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. It's a very nice peachy color and it's very difficult to do bindi and mascara in the car, so I was just waiting to finish up. Almost done. Just bindi and mascara left. I cannot do mascara in the car. Anyways, I'll poke myself in the eye, and bindi also was fine, but it was going very weird. So just that and stop and do that. Otherwise, ready. Caught up with Yash and some cows. Hey Pradyum. His name is Pradyumna. This cow is giving me a side eye. It has a lot of flies near the eye. Why?
Yeah, it's common. Cows keep up.
Okay. This one is interested in getting petted.
Yeah, circus. But the mother will not be so interested.
The mother is giving me a side eye.
దాని బిడ్డనే
అదే అందుకనే ప్రొటెక్టివ్గా చూస్తుందేమో కానీ అట్లా క్లీన్ చేయాలేమా నియర్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్
it wants to.
ఇట్ రియల్లీ లైక్స్ యూ ఇట్ వాంట్స్ టు ఈట్ సంథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ
Something okay. So nice.
If I'm going close, it's getting scared. So basically now what we realize is Yash is a cow person. I'm a dog person and Yash is a cow person.
The mother is not going to do that.
I'm here near the cows. I want to meet the cow, but I'm a little scared. But the cow is not interested. I don't think it likes it.
భయపడుతుంది.
Okay, decent. Oh no, it's fine. Just like just like the doggies.
Yeah.
Just a
It's like a
big
big
doggy. Exactly like a doggy.
Yeah,
It pulled my dress.
Are you fine?
Yeah. I think it's just like how Bella does it. So we were here to meet Yash's family and then see the puja. So that was it for today's vlog, you guys. Then I had to get back to work in the middle because I had some meetings. So that is it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Do subscribe for more such vlogs and shopping videos and all that. And find me on Instagram as well. I'll see you guys. Bye.